Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to set up the NZXT Kraken 240 liquid cooler. First, let's gather all the necessary components. You'll need your Kraken 240, your CPU, motherboard, and your PC case. Make sure your motherboard has an available USB 2.0 header for the cooler's connectivity. Also, confirm your case has enough space for the 240mm radiator. Proper preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Next, we'll attach the fans to the radiator. Take the two 120mm fans and secure them to the radiator using the provided screws. Once the fans are attached, mount the 240mm radiator assembly into your PC case. Choose a location that provides optimal airflow, typically the front or top of your case, for efficient cooling. Now, let's install the pump. If your cooler doesn't have pre-applied thermal paste, apply a small amount to your CPU. Carefully place the pump block onto your CPU, securing it with the appropriate mounting bracket for your socket type. Finally, connect the pump's SATA power cable, the USB 2.0 cable, and the fan cables to their respective headers on your motherboard. For the final steps, download and install the NZXT Kraken software. This program allows you to monitor temperatures, adjust fan speeds, and customize lighting. Power on your PC and visually confirm that all fans are spinning and the pump is running. Open CAM to check your CPU temperatures, ensuring everything is functioning correctly and providing efficient cooling for your system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.